Yeah, welcome my children. We'll solve the problems from 14.2. First third problem. Question is, if a side of a cube is reduced by half, then what changes happens in the value? That is the question. Okay. So here I write side of a cube is equals to A. So when side is A, its value is A cube. Yeah, what happened then? But side of the cube reduced to half. Now side is equals to A by 2. Am I right? Then volumes, what happened value? Now its volume now, what happens now? When a power 3 I have written, that is nothing but a into a. Am I right? The same way a by 2. So we'll write a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2 will write. Am I right? So all denominators multiplication and all numerators multiplication. A into a cube, a into a cube, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What happened? So here the volume has reduced by 8 times, correct? So we are dividing into 8th time. Am I right? Right. So that is the changes happen when side is reduced by half. Okay. So after that, so 4th and 5th problems has completed yesterday. So now we'll see 6th problem. What 6th problem about? What about it? The 6th problem is about a cuboid and a cube. Yeah, it's about a cube and a cuboid. The cuboid measurements are, dimensions are length 25, breadth 15, 25 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and one more 8 centimeter. Here side of a cube A is equals to 16 centimeters. Then find the difference of the volume of the both shapes. Okay, so volume of a cube formula a power 3. Yes, so we write a 16 into 16 centimeter cube. So if you multiply 16 256 into 16 again, 3 30 plus 3 33, 12 plus 3 15, 6 9 0 4. So we got it answer 4096 centimeter cube. Right. Now here volume of a cuboid formula LBH. So we'll write 25 into 15 into 8. 15 8 we know 120. 120 into 25. 0 0 6 0 4 2 0 0 10 3000. Yeah, so 3000 centimeter cube. So therefore difference is equals to, if you compare now, what happened? The cube volume is more than the cuboid. Am I right? So difference is equals to, I'll write volume of a cube minus volume of a cuboid is equals to 4096 minus 3000. That's nothing but 1096 centimeter cube. It's a problem number 6th beta, right? Next, seventh problem. Yeah, seventh problem. A closed box is made up of, yeah, so dimensions of outer, yeah, so he has given the dimensions of outer box. It is in cuboid form. B 4 centimeters, H 7 centimeters. Yeah, question is, actually it's a box. He has given box thickness. The box thickness is 1 centimeters each. Here I'll write thickness, that is nothing but T, that is equals to 1 centimeters. Now after this I'll write here, now inner dimensions, L. L is equals to, how did you calculate inner dimensions? For example, if you imagine box, so the box increased 1 centimeter here, this side and that side also. So each side 1 plus 1, 2 centimeters increased. So now L, new L, inner dimensions are 5 minus 2, that is 3 centimeters. So we'll give capital letters for this, L, B, H. Now B value, small b, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 centimeters. H is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5 centimeters. Now volume of outer box is equals to 5 into 4 into 7. 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140 centimeter cube. Yes. Now here we'll calculate volume of inner box. 3 into 2 into 5. 6 5s are 30 centimeter cube. Now therefore difference. Look at 140 minus 30, overall 130. Overall 110 centimeter cube. 140 minus 30, 110 centimeter cube. That's the answer. 8th question. How many cubes of edge 4 centimeters can make from the cuboid whose length, breadth, height are 20, 18, 16? 8th problem. How many cubes can you make from a cuboid? So simply we can understand cuboid is larger than cube, correct? So cuboid, it's our 8th problem. It's our 8th problem. The cuboid dimensions are L is equals to 20 centimeter, B is equals to 18 centimeter, H is equal to 16 centimeters. Now cube side we know A, that's nothing but 4 centimeters, right? Now find the volume of the cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula, L into B into H. So we'll write 20 into 18 into 16 centimeter cube. It's our equation 1. No need to multiply. If you multiply, the number get larger. Okay, again cancellation getting hard. So volume of a cube is equals to, we'll write 4 into 4 into 4 centimeter cube. Yes. Now therefore number of cubes, now we have to distribute. Okay, so volume of bigger one, so cuboid by volume of cube, correct? Now 20 into 18 into 16 by 4 into 4 into 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 and 4 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 5 total 90. So what did you understand? Number of cubes. So we can make a 90 cubes from the cuboid with the size of a 4 centimeters of a cube. Yes. Ninth question. How many cuboids of size 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters you can make from? Yeah, ninth question. Now he is asking about two cuboids. One is larger one is small one. Simple. Cuboid, I'll mention big. It's the ninth question, beta. And here I'll mention cuboid small. Yeah, dimensions are 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. Here L, B, H, small cuboid. 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters. 4, 3, 2. This is a small cuboid, no? So how many small cuboids can you make from a large cuboid? So simple, here we'll find volume of a big cuboid is equals to, we'll find 12 into 9 into 6 centimeter cuboid. It's our equation 1. Don't multiply. So volume of a small cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula L into B into HM, right? So 4 into 3 into 2, that is also centimeter cube. It is our equation 2. So now number of cuboids is equals to, we know 6 is a larger one, right? So we'll write 12 into 9 into 6, 4 into 3 into 2. 4 ones are 4 threes are, 3 ones are 3 threes are, 2 ones are 2 threes are, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So with these measurements we can make 27 cuboids from the larger cuboid. Okay. The last problem from the exercise. A vessel in the shape of cuboid last problem. A vessel in the shape of cuboid 30 centimeters long, 25 centimeters wide, height we don't know. Yes, 30 centimeters long, 25 centimeters wide, height we have to find. Capacity of the vessel is 4.5 liters of water. Then find the height. Capacity of the vessel 4.5 liters. Okay. So capacity means, I told you many times that capacity word is always represents value. So it is a cuboid form, am I right? So L into B into H is equals to, given information is 4.5 liters. But 1 liter having a relation with a centimeter cube, that is 1000 centimeter cube. In the next step, we'll write a L value 30, B value 25 into H 4.5 into 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, next step, write down 30 into 25 into H. 4.5 is nothing but write a 45 by 10 into 1000. So 0 0 get cancelled. So in the next step, H is equals to 4500, 2 zeros only, no? 2 zeros by 30 into 25. Again 0 0 get cancelled. Better to 3. 150 times. So simple, 150 by 25. So H value 6, because 25 6 are 150. So height of the vessel is 6 centimeters. So by these problems, all exercise problems has been completed. Okay, right. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much and all the best, children.